guys, this video is for a 2017 Mercedes e300 w213. So the keyless entry, like the remote, stopped working on it after I got my windows tinted. It stopped working for about, I would say, a couple hours, but then 2 years later I'm having a problem with the doors not opening. I would just keep clicking on this button maybe like 50 times for the doors to open, and then I would get a message inside saying the key is not detected. So I went ahead and ordered the module for it. It's a keyless go module, and it's pretty simple to swap it out. I heard that you had to program it, but fortunately you don't. I just swapped it out, and without programming it, it works, as you can see. And to get to this, you would have a plastic rivet here, 2 rivets here, and this handle right here. You would pop off the plastic cover and unscrew it with a T40. So once you have, and then you would pop this out. It has 2 rivets, right? 2 plastic little screw things here and here. You would pop this out, this thing right here. You just pop it out once you got those 2 things off. Fold the carpet back, and this is the, I guess, the little computer back here. You would unscrew this screw right here. There's 2 screws, 2 bolts down there, 1 bolt up here, and this module right here is what you need. I got this off of eBay for 80 bucks. This is the part number for it, and it is screwed right back here. So when I got the windows tinted, I did a little bit of research. So when they wipe the water down, it comes down to here and into your components, and they basically over time fried this thing. It works on and off, and you can tell this thing has corrosion in it right here. I don't know if that's able to zoom in. You can see the green stuff right there. Water has gotten into it, and it's a bit rusty. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. I just wanted to test it. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out, screw this in here. So to take this thing out, you got 2 little clips here. I ended up breaking one. You just push them in with a screwdriver, take it out. This side will just slide out like this. All right, and this is the part right here, and if I can zoom in, you can see that there is residue in there, and this is what is causing the issue. And I'm gonna go ahead and slide that in there and wrap this up. Okay, so I got that in there, the new module, and we're just gonna go ahead and put this thing back in its spot right here, like this. All right, you see 2 screws, 2 bolts. Put this bolt up here. And put the 2 bolts down here. Then, I'm sorry if I'm calling these bolts, I meant nuts. Put the 2 nuts, and here is the 3rd one. Right down here. Now we're just going to tighten them up, and we should be good to go. Alright guys, so I got this thing put back, screwed back in. So we're just gonna Put this back in the spot right here. Behind this like this. And, so basically, this is where I was telling you guys this goes. This goes in right here. Hold it in place. I believe you gotta turn this around. It goes in like that. And this black piece goes right over this like that. All right. This you would just put this under here, and I'm gonna go ahead and fix this up, and we should be good.